On today's video, we're going shopping for Easter decor. Keep watching. Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because we're going shopping for Easter. We're gonna visit our dollar store in TJ Maxx because I'm looking for the items that will help me create centerpieces, wreaths, and floral arrangements for this Easter holiday. So if you are interested and you wanna see the shopping haul, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with our friends. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating, shopping tips, and all kinds of decorating ideas for your home and your holiday decorating. All right, let's get started. Okay, everyone, so it is that time of the year where we're going to go out shopping for some Easter things, so I can show you some projects for your Easter decorating. First up is going to be TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go see what they have because I wanna do some centerpieces and some lanterns to show you guys how to decorate for this particular holiday. So let's go look for some bunnies. Stay tuned. Okay everyone, so we are at TJ Maxx here in San Diego, California. We're gonna go inside and see what they have for Easter that we can use on our projects, for our tablescapes and for our lanterns and for our wreaths. Let's go check it out. Right now is the right time to do it before it gets picked over. Let's go. Now this guy is massive. Let's see how much it is. It is $14.99. It will be perfect for an entryway table. But what I like is this right here is because we could make a floral arrangement on the little backpack. I am really loving this guy right here. It's made out of ceramic and it is only $9.99. This will be perfect for a lantern, as well as these guys right here. I know what he is, but he's super cute. It's got a lid, and here's the mama. It's adorable. Now, if this is not a stitch to you guys, I don't know what it is, but it's a little chiclet, chicken with a little saying beep beep. Super cute. I am really loving the selection of tea towels here at TJ Maxx. Look how pretty this one is. It says Happy Easter, and it has this little cute rabbit with glasses, and there's 3 to the pack, and they complement the colors. They are so adorable. Now this is a great tea towel. I love the message, live every day to its fullest, and I really encourage you guys to do that. Not just on a tea towel, you should live every day to its fullest. God bless you all. They also have these cute little banners. They're made out of burlap. The price is $12.99. It has these cute little bunnies on them. And how cute are these brass bunnies to match that banner? So chic with its little bow on its neck. The mom and the little kid. I love them. All right, everyone. So we have made it to the dollar store. Let's go inside and see what we can find for our Easter decorating. Stay with me. Alright, I really like these little Easter eggs on this egg carton. This will be perfect for a centerpiece, accent, or even perhaps for our tablescape. So we're gonna have to get a few of these. And as you guys can see, the Easter ribbons are getting picked over. However, there is still a few, and I really like this one with the Easter eggs. I think this one will be really pretty as our theme. And then also this one with the handwriting right here, Happy Easter. That is also pretty, and I love this one right here. And then of course I have some sheer ones like this pink one, and then the purple one. I wish they had a blue one, but they don't. They only have like a burlap blue one right here. Not bad. Now these felt Easter eggs are also really cute. They'd be really pretty for name tags. For your tablescape, but what I really like is these little carrots right here. They're super adorable. They come 4 in a package, so they might have to come home with us as well. This deco mesh I'm not really crazy about. However, I think they still have some of the Valentine's pink ones, so let's go check it out. So they still have a lot of this pink and fuchsia deco material for wreaths. I'm gonna get a few of these guys while they still have them here in the store. And don't forget the real reason for the season, you guys. They also have a really good selection of pastel flowers right now, as you guys can see. It's all stromeria as well as the roses and some of the forsythia. All right, you guys, let's get into this haul. I'm so excited to show you all of the Easter things that I got for a few projects that we're gonna have coming up for Easter. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you how to do some centerpieces, some lanterns, and some door wreaths and swags for your door. But before I can show you how to make those things, I'd have to go shopping. And as you guys know, I love to go shopping for inexpensive materials that we can use in our decor. So that way we can save a few dollars and put it on our budget on bigger things. As you know, I'm remodeling my house and I need those extra dollars for bigger pieces of furniture. So that's why I like to buy less expensive materials for seasonal decorating. That way I can save for the bigger items. All right, let's get on with the haul, and everything that I'm about to show you is going to be from the dollar store first, and I'm gonna show you the things that I got at TJ Maxx that we're gonna be needing for our Easter decor. So we're gonna start with one of the wreath forms that comes from the dollar store. This guy's only $1. And like I always like to show you for every season a few different ideas on our door hangers for your door wreath swags and other things. So this time for Easter, I'm gonna use this guy right here. This cost only $1 and it is on their crafts section. I have a few of them because as I told you, I like to show you guys different ideas. So I got that. Then from the floral department, I got these guys right here. You guys know that I'm obsessed with Walmart's florals, but once in a while, dollar store really does have flowers that really impress me. And these pink fuchsia roses, especially this one that is open, there's two different kinds. The one that is like a bud and then the ones that are already open. And I love them both. You have to kind of go through them, but the color is just exquisite. And I love both of them, so I got 2 stems, 1 of each. And these ones are really good for our wreaths and swags and centerpieces that we'll be making, so grab yourself a few of the fuchsia flowers. And then the other floral that I love is the status. This status, I love it because when I worked as a florist for many years, nobody wanted to work with this flower. It's kind of like the carnation of accent flowers. And this guy looks so realistic. It just needs the little white dots. They're only $1 for 6 flowers. And not even Walmart has status, so they have it in purple, white, and pink. I really love the purple because it really accents the pink. I really think that this color combination really is pretty for Easter. So we're gonna be using this guy right here. So I got about 5 of these guys because I wanna have it in hand for future projects for florals. And like I say, they're really, really realistic looking. I also really love this status. Then for our third floral that I got some of these lilac bundles. There's 5 flowers per, and it comes in this lavender, and then also it comes on the purple, and I love them both. A combination of both is really pretty. You guys have seen me use this on the wreath that I made for spring. If you have not seen that wreath, I'm gonna link it up. I used a lot of this lilac and I love it. Walmart has a white version of it that I absolutely love it. I'm crazy over that I'll be using in a few more arrangements coming up. By the way, if you do want to see more floral arrangements, leave me the hashtag florals on the comment section below so I know that you guys want to continue your floral tips and tricks here at Ramon at Home. All right, so that's all the florals that I got. So I got the pink roses, the purple status, and the purple and lavender lilac so far. Let's see what else do we have. I'm gonna just tell you guys that since it is Valentine's season right now at the dollar store, they do have the deco mesh for $1, and I got a few of the fuchsia and a few of the soft pink for Easter for our centerpieces and swags. So get yourself some of these while it is out on the Valentine's section. I really recommend you get it. And then I got a whole bunch of ribbons. I have this one with the Easter eggs. This is super cute. We're gonna use this guy on one of our wreaths and also perhaps on our centerpiece, not quite sure. But I got a few of them just to have in hand. That way I can utilize the things that I need and store the ones that I don't for next year. And then I got this burlap looking one that has some writing that says Happy Easter in them. This one is also super cute. I also got like 3 rolls of this because we'll be using them for a few projects I'm gonna show you how to make for your home. I cannot tell you what it is, of course, because I want you to come back and tune in. But I got a few of this, and these guys are 3 yards for $1. So with just one ribbon, you can really create a bow, or you can use it for a centerpiece for an accent. So that's really pretty. And then also I got this ribbon that is like a plaid with blue and pink, the classic colors of Easter. And I really think that this guy right here with the Easter egg is going to look really cute. I absolutely love it. And then I got, let me see, these guys right here are gonna be used in our tablescape. I absolutely love them. These eggs, these like Easter eggs, they come blue, yellow, pink, and purple on the little egg holder. And I think this is the perfect accent for a tablescape. So we're gonna be using not only the tablescape, but also we'll be using it on the centerpiece that I'm gonna be making to show you guys to set your table for Easter. So I got 2, 3, 4 of these for our tablescape, and I have to go back and get a few more for to include in the centerpiece. So get them while they last. And right now Easter is not very much at the store, so you kind of have to wait a little longer. It's a little early for Easter, but you have to get it while it's out. And then I got some of the burlap ribbon. These are 9 feet, and I have 2 of these burlap ribbons because I want to show you a project with a door hanger with burlap and hydrangea that you guys will have to come back and tune in. Then what else did I get? Oh, I got some of these ribbon. They have some of these really pretty, really thin ribbon. I got it in black and then also in this soft pink because I want to show you guys how to make corsages and boutonnieres. And I want to do a mini series about bridal flowers, from the flower bouquet to the centerpieces and, you know, the boutonnieres and the corsages for the moms and the grandmas. So if you guys are interested in corsage work, leave me the hashtag corsage down in the comment section below. And then I want to show you, this is not Easter, but I want to show you guys these organizing containers. They come in 3 different sizes. They come in this long one, it's like for pencils, and then it comes in this little square one right here, and then also comes on this 2-piece longer one and bigger one. So they're all about the same. If you just put them like this, it'd be like perfect. So I'm buying these ones because as I make over the room, the bedroom, then I'm gonna show you how to organize a few areas in the room. So that's what these are for. And I was super excited to get a bunch of those. All right, so now I went to TJ Maxx and I wanna show you guys, this is my favorite thing that I got because I wanna create something really pretty for my Easter table this year. So I got, first of all, this bunny right here, he's going to be our lantern bunny. He's super cute and he has this gold detail around his ear. He is about 6 inches tall and he was only $7.99 and it is super cute. I think he's gonna look so gorgeous in our lantern, replacing the candle or replacing the florals. I'm gonna do something fun with it. And I had a whole bunch of these guys. That one is for the lantern, keep that in mind. Let me get rid of my paper right here. And then I got this one, you guys are gonna love this. This one is going to be for the centerpiece. So this guy right here is going to be for the centerpiece and I'm gonna create something around it. This was only $6.99. It's the mom and the little child bunny. And it also has a little bit of the gold detail in their ears. I can't believe this one was more expensive. Yeah, this one's $7.99, this one's $6.99, and he's perfect for a centerpiece to create something around it. So stay tuned for the centerpiece. And then to set the table, we're gonna be using a pair of these other bunnies. Let me get them out. So there's this fat little guy with the gold tail and the gold on the nose and then the gold on the ear. And so I have a few of these. And then I'm gonna use this guy for the centerpiece, and these are gonna go along the table. You guys will have to tune in and watch when I show you the Easter ideas for this year. So this is gonna be super fun. This guy was only $5.99, $6.99, and $7.99. So I think they're very affordable at TJ Maxx. Get them while they're out because I did see a whole bunch of people shopping for these guys while I was shopping. So go get them while they last. And if you guys are interested in the Easter projects, leave me the hashtag Easter down in the comment section below so I know whether you guys want to see wreaths, swags, centerpieces, tablescapes, or any decor in your home. Give me any ideas that you may have. Write them on the comment section below so I can get to them. All right, you guys, well, that's all I have for this haul, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really encourage you to go out and shop for these materials that you're gonna be needing for your Easter decor. If you have any ideas, like I said, comment down below or just leave me a comment to let me know what is your favorite project that you do for Easter around your home, so that way I can give some ideas to myself and show you guys a few more to you. And if you haven't seen the wreath and the centerpiece that I did to match, I'm gonna link them up, or you can watch more videos right now. And until next time, bye.